Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Possible Finance app. So let's get started. So download and install, it's a very easy method. If you are an iOS user, then you can use your Apple Store. If you are an Android user, then you have to use your Google Play Store or Google search bar. So here I am using Google search bar. So right here I will directly write for Possible Finance app. From here I can see the Possible Finance app here. Then I will just click on here. So then here I can see the app. I will just click on here. So in my country it's not available. It will available in your country. Just click on install and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can just download and install the Possible Finance app in your phone. If you want to give the ratings to this app, you can also give from scrolling down. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.